A beautiful Banksia flower. Such a pretty lemony yellow.
They bite them off and let them fall on the ground. It's amazing what they teach in school.
So that was a beautiful walk.
Yeah.
Not very far, no steps at all.
No,
Unusual
that's
for
what's
us.
missing, yeah.
Hi everyone, today we're going to do the Banksia walk. Last time we were here, Cole's knee was still in a very bad state and we could only do the 200-metre walk. So we've come back and we're going to do the bigger walk. So yay, I'm really happy about that. Come with us and enjoy.
Yeah, so this path is bitumen right up until we get to this boardwalk.
Yeah, it's a very well-formed path apparently even further on. So
Oh, right.
it's suitable for wheelchairs and everything, so you know, it's very accessible.
Cool. Let's go.
Yeah, come on.
And the boardwalk is here because it's all over like a lake or swampy ground.
Swamp. The wetlands, lovey.
Yeah, wetlands.
A beautiful Banksia flower. Such a pretty lemony yellow.
Yeah, the parrots feed off them a lot and they bite them off and let them fall on the ground. I don't know whether that's to make the tree grow more or whether it's to spread the seed. I'm just not too sure about that one. But yeah, whenever you come across a Banksia tree and there's lots of parrots around, there'll be the flowers all over the ground.
The Banksia trees, they flower for quite a few months. So you'll see some black ones and some nice new ones. The parrots bite them off and they fall on the ground, they decompose, and another bush grows out of the seeds. So they're just, you know, ensuring they've got food in the future. Just ask Ranger Rose, she'll tell you.
Here's a good example of a cabbage palm. It's only a fairly young one. They do grow rather tall, but that's a nice new one.
This is a native wattle tree, beautiful flowers up there. I'm pretty allergic to them, so I try not to breathe too much when I go past them. Yeah, hay fever season, don't you just love it? I'll take a photo of him. Grab the phone.
This is just for our daughter Melinda. She loves spiders.
Muddy, you better film that muddy bit, Cole.
Yeah, this bit's a little bit on the muddy side. We're near a little creek or something. See if Rose can get through.
I'll put my four-wheel drive shoes on. Oh, it's very stinky too. Here we go. Made it. Doesn't take much for the water to get up over that, does it? Look.
Mm.
Oh, that's beautiful in there, Cole. Look.
I dare say a spider of some sort lives up in there.
That away. I don't know where that goes.
Yeah, the track off to the right there is one of the fire trails. Or fire, yeah. So they maintain those just to act as a fire break. Nice little flowers.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah. I tell you what, we didn't get this far last time we came.
No, we had to bum out at the end of the boardwalk.
Yeah.
And you had to sit down on the way to the end of the boardwalk and sit down on the way back.
Yeah.
That's how bad your knee was.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so yeah. Now you slave drive. Get up that hill.
And if I remember rightly from my old school days, this is a Banksia serrata. Hence the little serrations on the leaves. It's amazing what they teach in school. And serrata as if in serrated edge.
It's like rain.
Bit of rain coming.
Yeah, I didn't bring our raincoats.
It's alright.
We're going to get wet. Look at the noise. Is that a creek?
Yeah. Oh, it's the little water holes you see on the air map, on the Google Maps.
Are they kingfishers?
Coming up to another sign. What's that? 2.1 k's back to the car park.
Yeah, it's been a fabulous track though, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's just so beautiful. And it's so easy, like,
Oh.
oh, where's the stairs?
Hello, water crossing. I think we'll go around.
Yeah, I think if you balance on that and land up on your backside.
Yeah.
Talking about over there. Wow. Come to the open spaces.
Yeah, 1.4 k's to go.
Up and that away, I think, Cole.
Yeah. So this is the fire break. So they
Ah,
obviously keep this here to keep the fires out of town.
yep,
Just come across a little kangaroo trail.
yep. You hopped across the fire break.
There are quite a few kangaroos in this little town. We were having fish and chips down at the park the other day, and a couple just popped along the road in amongst the cars and other stuff. They were just casually going about their business.
It's great.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
And of an evening you normally see them all around the start of the track that we just started on. I'll see if we can find some later on tonight.
Yeah, it's like they go across the road and get on the what's that strip?
The footpath.
That's it, a footpath. Because they're mowed and watered, and it's like yum yum. That'd be like a really nice banquet for a kangaroo.
Yeah. Now there's a goanna track. Footmarks either side of his belly trail. And that track's actually a push bike track.
Where we gotta go? This way to the car park, Cobb.
Yoo-hoo, 1 kilometre.
I've got a cup of tea.
Sounds good to me. It could pose a bit of a problem for a wheelchair, couldn't it?
Yeah, it certainly would. Look at that, eh? So I don't think the rangers have been round here for a little while.
No. So why didn't you bring your chainsaw, Ranger Rose?
Oh, we're not allowed to have chainsaws. Right.
Yeah, fry bed up in there. Oh, and we're nearly back to the car park. And this is where we came in. And we're back to the boardwalk, which is right here. So on this section are a couple of seats, and we're just going to stop and have a sit down. Not that we actually need it, because we want to.
So that was a beautiful walk. Not
Yeah.
very far, no steps at all.
No,
Unusual
that's
for
what's
us.
missing, yeah. Steps.
So we're just sitting in the middle of the...
This swampland.
No, it's wetland.
Wetland.
And we're just having some fruit. And then it looks like it's going to rain on us before we get back to the caravan, but hey, that happens.
Yeah.
So it's been a lovely walk. I've really enjoyed it. The Banksia walk is amazing. So many Banksias. It's just beautiful.
Yeah.
And wildflowers, lots of wildflowers.
Yeah.
So if you have the time, don't just go to the beach, don't just go fishing, but come behind Woodgate and walk through their national park. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's really lovely, isn't
Yeah.
it? Yep. Mm. Good apple. Thank you, lovely.
We're changing it up. No more biscuits, fruit. Still have fruit cake though. That's fruit.
That's fruit. And lemon meringue pie. Got lemons.
It's got lemons, it's got protein from eggs.
I'm sure there's health stuff in there
I'm
somewhere.
sure we can eat that. There's wheat.
Well, that was a good apple. Thanks, Louie. Into the bag. We'll take it with us. Don't leave stuff in the bush.
Okay.
It's just started to rain, so we might just make it back in time.
At least it's cooled us down.
Yeah.
So that's done.
Yeah.
5.2? 5.4 kilometres.
Yeah.
And there is a tree down on the way back, and you're not going to get past it on with a wheelchair or anything like that.
the
The little
moment,
water crossing things, you'd most probably be able to just drive through the water.
Maybe, yeah. They're not. It's all on
hard
old sand, so
so-
it should be fine. Yeah.
It'd be an adventure.
And beaut thing is we're just across the road from the caravan park. So
Yeah. Come out through the back gate, cross the road, and happy days.
Yeah.
If you're into walking.
So thanks for coming with
Yep.
us, and we'll see you in the next episode. Remember to do that whole like and subscribe thing.
Yeah, and you can comment if you like. We don't mind.
Yeah, let us know
Okay.
if there's another walk you want us to see.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Cheers. is going to go and drive through Nolan's. That's how you do Nolan's. Doing it for the nanas.